For the eyes of the Lord range throughout the earth to strengthen those whose hearts are full